Hi guys, welcome back. Today is going to be a cooking video, but this is going to be Vlogmas day 6. So I'm going to cook for you guys. I don't even know what to call it, but it's a mushroom chicken casserole. So I'm using this 2 Prego sauces for the casserole, and I got some mozzarella cheese to put on top of it. So here I started with cooking the chicken breast, and I cut them in little square pieces, and the pasta that I ended up using was the bow tie macaroni pasta, and I preheated the oven to 350, but later on I did bump it up to 400 just so the mushrooms could cook. So you're going to need about 9 to 10 mushrooms if you're doing about 8 servings, which I ended up making just a tiny bit over 8 servings. But you want to wash those mushrooms very well before cutting them. I know you guys miss my cooking videos, and like I've said, whenever I do have time, I will do cooking videos for you guys, but it's pretty hard to fit it in with my busy schedule. Even though, yes, I don't work, but I do have doctor's appointments and other stuff that I do during the week. So my only days free are Mondays and Thursdays, but they're not even really free because those days I schedule my doctor's appointments. But anyways, here I am rinsing out the pasta, and I did make a little bit too much, so I only used whatever is here on the strainer. So use any pan or dishware that you guys might have that is meant for the oven. I'm using this metal tray, and I started with putting some of the pasta in. Then I did end up putting some shrimp, or not shrimp, some mushrooms on top and some chicken, and then I put the mozzarella cheese. Then I did put some of the sauce. Another thing I really want to cook for you guys, and let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to make that video, but is to make lasagna. So comment down below, guys. So I am adding the mozzarella cheese. Now you can add as much as you guys would like. Also the sauce, you guys can add as much as you guys want, and you guys don't have to use a mixture of the one that I did. So I finished adding the rest of the mushrooms, and I did go with some black pepper on top, and I added some garlic, about, I would say, 2 teaspoons, and some onion salt, probably about 1 teaspoon, and I mixed everything well together. Now you can add your own little things. Another thing maybe you could add is some bell peppers. But yeah, this is the how it looks like. So I did put it on the oven for about 30 minutes. And I did also turn on the boil so it can cook on top for about 5 minutes on low. And voila! What do you guys think? This is the final results. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video here with me, and leave down your comments down in the comment section below, leaving any other suggestions. Also, I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas with me and my family, and know that I did start it a little bit late, but you guys wanted me to do this, so here it is. And bon appetit. This turned out very good with the cheese, very cheesy and crisp on top. So I love you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you guys do end up trying it out, let me know down in my Instagram account. Don't forget to go follow me on all my social media and subscribe. Bye guys, love you. Also, let me know what you guys think about the Christmas Vlogmas intro I did for you guys. And yeah, bye guys.